Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today is about October TBR. October is one of my favorite months because it's my birthday month. So I'm all excited because birthday is going to be in a few days and it's a milestone. Yeah, milestone. Although I was supposed to be in South Africa for my birthday, 2020 happened and that got canceled. So I'm going to be enjoying the most of it with books, and in celebration of that I am going to keep doing what I do and keep smiling because it's life. Anyway, here we go. So the three books I'm going to talk about first don't have physical copy because it's somewhere out there, didn't get here yet. And now the first book is going to be a book that was selected by Dee Dee from Brown Girl Reading for a read along that she's doing in celebration of Black History Month in the UK, and that is the Book of Echoes. Now I don't know much about it. It is a debut novel that is a historical fiction, and the fact that it's a historical fiction was a plus for me because that's one of my favorite genre. So I'm here for it, and hopefully I get it soon. I cannot be behind because I like to start a read along early, but we'll get to it. Now the other two books are on the short list for the Man Booker, and I think it's Shuggie Bain. Don't know much, but I know I wanted to read it because it's just a young boy and his alcoholic mother, and I thought it was going to be a mess and I was going to like it. But then also it's a Man Booker, so hopefully it's not a drag, but we're going to get to that one. And then the other one is, mother-daughter drama. I'm here for it. And this one is a complicated relationship between mother and daughter, and I believe the daughter has to take care of her mother, that kind of situation. So we'll see what kind of historical past that they drag out in this one, but hopefully it's good and it's enjoyable, because I've read 3 on the list so far, so that will be the 2. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get to the 6th book, but definitely those 2 are, for some reason, I'm interested in reading, so we'll see. So physical books that I do have, I'm an Octavia Butler fan, so every October for the last 5 years I've read her books. I've been completely slowing down on reading her books the last few years because I've read about 12 and I don't want to read them all yet. I'm not sure how many books she has, but I am going to read the 2nd book in the oh my goodness, I can never pronounce her name. Lilith Bruce. There we go. I got it now. Anyway, this is the 2nd book in that, and this is very sci-fi. I love the first book in there. I love the main character, and it was creepy. It gave me the feel of October, all that. But to me, it was more of sci-fi than a lot of her other books to me, because of how the other characters look, their form and all that. But I do love Octavia Butler's book because there's always a message in it. No matter how creepy or different her stories is, there's something about it that is just so relatable to now and certain things that she wants you to get from the story. So I'm a big fan. So I'm looking forward to this, if I can pronounce it right. Anyway, I am going to also read The Cotton Season by Attica Locke. Now, Attica Locke is good on mystery, and this is a mystery, and it has a bit of a plantation home situation, murder mystery, and all that good stuff. This is my kind of writer because she writes crime mystery without dragging. She gets to the point. She gets you completely engaged. You want to know what's going to happen next. You want to keep turning the page. That's kind of author she is. So I know I'm going to enjoy this. And this has been on my freaking shelf for about 2 years. So it's time to come off. So yeah. Then I have my classics. Now, I'm going to definitely get this. This is the last book that I own from the Harlem Renaissance era, and this is Lansing Hughes' debut novel, I believe. Yeah, Not Without Laughter. This was his debut. He's mostly known for his poetry, so it's interesting to see how he writes story and if it gives that vibe. But I love poets who are authors. I just find their writing style very very attractive and very interested and grab you and have you feel in some kind of way. So I'm hoping that this game, but this is a coming of age of a young boy and his family, so it also could be a very sad story, but we'll see, And the last one is my Brazil posthumous memoir of a brass cubas. I hope I'm not butchering the name of this. But this is a story. What I know is the character is dead, and it's telling the story while dead. It makes sense, right? I don't know what that means, but it's October. Let's get it on. So I'm gonna read this, and hopefully by then I pronounce the shit right. But yeah. Anyway, that is what I am going to be reading in October. Hopefully there is gonna be some romance. Not sure yet, because there's a couple of romance I want to pick up, but I'm not sure yet what kind of romance. But if you see the list, it's bits of everything. So hopefully I can have a good month like I'm having in September. September reading month is awesome. So hopefully that continues. So thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, bye bye.